My name is Staff Sergeant Nunez. I'm with Eagle Troop 2nd Squadron, 2nd Cavalry Regiment. I am an infantryman, and what we're out here doing is we are implementing new counter-UAS systems into infantry tactics in order so that we are able to be in any fight, in any front, against any enemy. Right now, we are implementing them at a troop level, complete level, and the squadron level. We are just seeing how they work. We're using them for reconnaissance, we're using them for strike, and also we have jammers and detectors for any drone systems, class 1 through 4, and we are utilizing them to be able to maneuver on the enemy. Those with and destroy, this is our job.
Start! Move start!
I think Flytrap 5.0 demonstrates the Army and the Joint Forces' willingness and desire to rapidly innovate and find a solution to a problem.
These drones are very eye-opening, creating this 3D battle space. It's kind of nuts. You know, if it were easy, it wouldn't be worth it.